What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are staying green. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to cancel an order on Webull. Now, this only works if your order has not been executed. What this means is that your order is still on the market. It has not been sold yet. It has not purchased shares. If your order has purchased shares, your order will not show on the orders list. That means you're not looking to sell your shares. This only works for people who have ongoing orders in the market. All you need to do to see your orders is go ahead and click on this bottom Webull logo right here and click orders on the top. Then I want you guys to go ahead and click on the first working order you guys have currently. Remember, make sure it's the right company. Go ahead and click on that working order. As you guys see, it's fully laid out, and you guys want to go ahead on the bottom and click cancel order. Once you guys go ahead and cancel your order, you will get your buying power back. It may not be instant, but it will give you your buying power back soonly enough. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash this like button. Help us get this video out to other people. Hope you guys stay green. Peace out.